Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. My name is Abba. In today's video, I am bringing you another oatmeal swallow recipe with the perfect texture for any kind of soup or stew that you prefer. So come along and let's get right into this simple and easy recipe. So for this recipe, you would need some rolled oats or old-fashioned oats and some fermented corn dough. For the best results, please do not use the instant oats for porridge. Now in your blender, you are going to go ahead and add your oats, add enough water to cover or to help your blade spin, and blend your oats until smooth. Make sure not to overblend your oats to prevent your swallow from becoming slimy. Now set your blended oats mixture aside and add your fermented corn dough into a heavy bottom pot. Now go ahead and add enough water to your corn dough, and I like to go in with my hands and dissolve my corn dough until I can feel no more lumps. Next, I'm going to go ahead and then add my blended oat mixture, which we set aside, to my corn dough mixture. So now with my ladle, I'm going to stir in the oat mixture until it is fully incorporated with my corn dough mixture, just like this. Finally, go ahead and add your salt to taste and then transfer this onto your hob on medium-low heat. So now with my ladle, I'm going to go ahead and stir this continuously until one big lump is formed. So once your mixture becomes a big lump just like this, you will realize that stirring will become almost impossible. So what you are going to do is to press the mixture against the side of your pot. Depending on your heat and the amount you are making, it might take you up to 15 to 20 minutes for you to get to this stage. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some water and then cover my pot and allow this to steam for about 5 to 7 minutes. Steaming your oat swallow like this will help it cook faster, and also you will realize that the color has deepened slightly. This is an indication that your swallow is being cooked properly. Depending on how soft or firm you want your swallow, you might need to keep adding water to steam it until you get your desired texture. My general advice is to start with a little bit of water and keep adding if necessary, because once it's in there, you can't take it out anymore. Now, I personally don't like my swallow super soft, so I added extra water only twice, but this may differ depending on the texture you like. So reading the comments on my previous oatmeal swallow video, I realized that people expected the oatmeal swallow to taste exactly the same as the fermented corn dough banku that we know. So this recipe is for people who want to try the oatmeal swallow but yet want that trusted fermented corn dough banku taste. Once your palate gets used to this swallow, you can increase your oats gradually or eliminate the fermented corn dough completely. Kindly check out my previous oatmeal banku video and find out how I made this oat swallow using just oatmeal. So at this point, my oatmeal swallow is done, and you can tell by how deepened the color is. It's no longer looking pale like from the beginning. So all I'm going to do now is to mold my oatmeal swallow, wrap it, and then enjoy it with whatever soup or stew that you prefer. You don't need to wrap it if you are eating it right away, but you might want to wrap it if you want to eat it later on. And mind you, I am using a food-safe plastic wrap to wrap my food. But please feel free to wrap your food with whatever that you choose. So once I'm done molding my swallow, I'm just going to go ahead and dig right in. You can have this with your okra soup, with your peppers, with your stew. It can be paired with any soup or stew of your choice. And there you have it, our oatmeal swallow for beginners. And I hope this recipe helps you to make better choices on your faith farm journey. So until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, please remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So cook this oatmeal swallow with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!